Hi, this is a quick demonstration of the Sightless touch system by Impress that enables the driver to control the infotainment system without looking at the screen. So I place 3 fingers wherever I want on the screen and the system will change itself to my hand. Let's see.
Left radio, middle navigation, right phone.
Okay, so the system reads my options out loud so I can keep my eyes on the road and just hear my options. So let's see how I select a radio station. First I'm going to do it fast. Okay, so let's do it slower. I place 3 fingers on the screen. I select the finger.
Change station, right, true R&B, down, rouge funk, left.
It reads my options loud. Then I can slide to make a selection. Okay, I can start and stop just by tapping the screen. Now when I'm inside the radio, I can change stations just by simple slides. For example, okay, very easy. Same thing with navigation. So I'm going to place 3 fingers and I'm going to select the navigation finger. Okay?
Navigate.
So now I'm going to slide up for home.
Navigate to home.
Waze opens up with my home address. Pre-installing Waze, and it will start navigate to home. Okay, so you don't need to do anything, just slide to home. If I want to go back, I touch this triangle here. Same thing with calling a person. So I'm going to use my ring finger to make a phone call. So I place 3 fingers, select the ring,
phone,
and slide.
Calling to Carol.
Now let's see what happens when I'm getting a text message when I'm driving.
WhatsApp from Oshrat. Right, listen message, down, send message, left, ignore, up, send message. Okay, so I have a phone app that you install on your Android phone, and that sends my WhatsApp messages to the infotainment system. So I can slide right and hear the message. Message is, hi Nissan, how are you?
Sliding up to say, sorry, I'm driving, I'll call you back. So let's turn the screen of my phone so you can see what happens on the screen. Okay? So my system sends back the message to Oshrat's phone. So you can see down here, sorry, I'm driving, I'll call you back. So we can connect to WhatsApp and also standard text messages. So let's say I want to hear a radio station that is not part of my shortcuts. So I use 2 fingers and I slide them to the left for the radio. So let's see.
Which station?
69 FM.
69 FM.
Okay, so let's say I want to call a person, so I slide to the right, and if I want to navigate to a new destination, I slide 2 fingers up. Let's see how it goes.
Where to?
King George X, Jerusalem.
King George X, Jerusalem. Yes, back, continue, or exit.
So I can just slide to the right to the yes, or I can say yes.
Navigate to King George X, Jerusalem.
Okay, and that will open Waze. It will put the address that I said inside Waze, and we'll just start to navigate. No need to touch anything. If I want to go back to the system, I touch the triangle. And if I want to go back to Waze, I just tap the screen. So let's see how I configure the system. Right here, I have the configuration button. I touch it. And I have main configuration screen with radio, navigation, and phone. I select radio, and I have my 4 options, very simple, arranged in the same way that I use the system. So when I touch a radio station, I just get my options based on my location automatically. Very simple. Let's see navigation. So in navigation, I have a headline and the address. So for example, if I want to configure the work, I can just type in the destination. And for the phone, same thing. So when I touch here, these icons, that opens up my phone address book from the phone and give me the ability to select. For practicing, you have this question mark here. The system will tell you what to do. Very simple.
Now we will select a radio station. Place 3 fingers and leave them on the screen. You can place them anywhere.